Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today we've got a new product to review on my desk. It's a new budget gaming keyboard and mouse set. It's called the Avenger Gaming Combo Kit. You can see a picture of the gaming keyboard and the mouse here. It's made by this company called TAG, and this combo kit comes in two colors, yellow and black. We've got the black color model. Now both the mouse and the keyboard are LED backlit. The mouse has a multicolor cycle effect and the keyboard has a 3-color LED layout. This is the cheapest RGB LED backlit gaming combo kit out there. It's called the Avenger Gaming Combo Kit made by TAG. Let's check out the back side of the box. We've got a picture of the mouse and the keyboard. So this is how the RGB lighting looks on it. Let's check out the features. The keyboard has a new floating keys design and says has a greater durability compared to the standard switches on regular keyboards. And the mouse is also LED backlit and has 4 DPI adjustment levels. The price on the box says 2000 rupees, but it's available for only 1600 rupees on Amazon. That's actually quite cheap because you're getting both RGB keyboard and mouse for that price. Let's get started with the unboxing. I want to thank TAG for sending me this product for review purpose. On opening the box, we've got the keyboard at the top. Let me take it out. Oh, we've got the Avenger mouse at the bottom. Let's also take it out and see what else do we get in the box. There is nothing else over here. So these were the only items we had in the box. Let's check out the gaming keyboard. So this is how the TAG Avenger Gaming Keyboard looks like. The design looks quite nice, has a funky metal frame around it and feels quite light in the hand. The build quality also looks good. The keycaps feel very soft. You've got the TAG Gamers branding here. Let's turn it over and check out the back side. The body is completely made of plastic and you've got 4 rubber foot pads on all the sides. There's nothing else written over here. Now let's check out the mouse. This is how the Avenger Gaming mouse looks like. You've got the TAG branding here. The mouse looks quite nice from my first impressions. It's an RGB LED backlit gaming mouse. Not bad for the price. The build quality actually looks good. Has a soft matte finish on the top. So what I'll do now is I'll just connect both of them to my PC and show you how they look like. So I've connected the keyboard and the mouse to my PC and this is how they look like. The keyboard has a nice tri-zone RGB LED backlit effect and this is how the Avenger mouse looks like. It cycles through different colors. Alright, we'll check them out individually and talk about their design. The TAG Avenger Gaming Keyboard has an aesthetic design. The metal frame gives the keyboard a stylish look from the front and the quality of the keycaps is also nice. You've got the TAG logo here that glows in green color. The keyboard only has this tri-zone RGB layout. You don't have any other backlit customizations. The only thing you can do is turn the backlit on or off. The company should have provided at least an option to adjust the backlit brightness. Now let's talk about the quality of the keys. It's not a mechanical keyboard, it's a regular membrane keyboard. Typing on it feels nice. The keys are soft and quiet, they don't make much noise. I've also played a few games on it and the gaming experience was good. I had no issues with it. Let's talk about the mouse. The mouse has an ambidextrous ergonomic design, so you can use it in both the hands without any problem. You've got the TAG logo here. It's completely made of plastic and has a soft matte finish on the top. It looks beautiful with LED backlit effects. And talking about the comfort, the mouse fits perfectly in my hand. It's not too big and feels comfortable for long time gaming. The switches, the scroll wheel, all are of good quality. Plus the mouse also has 2 extra buttons at the side which function as forward and backward by default. The DPI on the mouse is also adjustable. You've got a button for that below the scroll wheel. It has 4 DPI adjustment levels from 1200 to 3200 and this is how the bottom looks like. You have an optical sensor at the middle and some skid pads on all the sides. So that was my video on the TAG Avenger Gaming Combo Kit. Both the keyboard and the mouse are good for the price. They offer decent gaming experience. The build quality is nice, the performance is good and they also have LED backlit effects. The only thing they could have added was more customizations to the lighting effects. But apart from that, for the price what you're paying, you'll definitely be satisfied with them. I really couldn't find anything to complain about it for that price. It costs about 1600 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.